Hello everyone, welcome to the session 2 of the guided meditation course for beginners. This session will be based in a sitting position. You can sit on a chair or cushion or any other sitting arrangement that feels comfortable to you. Try to sit as straight as possible. Gently close your eyes. Today we'll start with becoming aware of the sensation of sitting. Feel the gravity pulling you in your position. Notice the sense of your resting arms beside your body. Now, take a few deep breaths and let the gravity settle you into your seat. Like in our last session, become aware of your breathing. Notice where you feel the air most clearly. It could be tip of your nose, or you can feel it in your throat. Perhaps you may feel it with the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen. You can move your attention from session to session if you like, but for now, pick on spot and concentrate there. Breathe is the most insignificant sensation you will have with you all the time. Other senses will rise and fall, but breathing will always be with you. Just focus on the feeling of breathing. Pay attention to the beginning of inhalation, pause between breaths, and follow the exhalation. There is no need to control your breathing. Just let it flow the way it flows. Let your breaths in and out naturally, like in our previous session, and pay attention to it. The goal of this session is to sharpen the only tool you have, your mind. Your mind will be with you in any good, bad, or complicated situation. Your mind controls all the primary decisions you make and your interaction to others. Once you start noticing, you'll find that your mind is totally out of control. While paying attention to your breath, you will find the basic obstacle of paying attention to anything. Your mind is always thinking, thoughts pop up the whole time, and you completely forgot that you are trying to meditate. This happens with a fraction of seconds, and you cannot control it now. For an example, just try to count the next 10 breaths without getting interrupted. Count 1 in inhalation and 1 in exhalation, then 2, and so on. See if you can get to 10. You most possibly lost somewhere in those 10 breaths unless you were very attentive. Your awareness of the breath falls off and your attention moves to another thought. The goal is not to stop your thought or emotion arising from them. It is to notice how your mind functions more closely. The goal is to experience them consciously and recognize them as they arrive. For now, the moment you discover yourself thinking, observe it and go back to focus on breathing. At the last moment of this session, start again. Keep the focus on breathing. Feel the next inhalation. Let it out naturally. Okay, now take a deep breath, and when you are ready, open your eyes. Before we end, take a moment to check how you are feeling. Are you tired or restless, calm or relaxed? No matter your experience is pleasant or sad, is on the point. You are learning a new skill. You can't expect to do it well at this point. Over time and practice, you will see how you are less distracted by your thoughts. To make progress in this process, you need to practice and start again. So, that is all for today. Keep spreading love and please subscribe if you like today's session. I look forward to seeing you in the next session. Until then, be happy and enjoy life. Thank you.